guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new video which is probably the most simplest look I've uploaded in a long time. So this has been my go-to look for a while now. I've been super busy, so I haven't had time to really glam up my face, and I've also got this random patch of dermatitis on my eye, so I've been trying to wear less makeup or literally no makeup at all. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the look. So, as you can see, I'm filling in my brows with the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 2. I like to fill in my brows with a light taupey colour first. It just fills in the sparsy areas without looking too bold, especially because we are going softer on the eyes. Then I'm going in with Benefit's KaBrow Brow Pomades. I've mixed the shades 2 and 4 because I couldn't find the shade 3. So, I've just used that product to draw in strokes through my eyebrows. Then I'm going to lightly comb through with this clear brow gel, also from Benefit. I use this product all the time in my kit and also on myself. It's a really good clear brow gel. So this is the Benefit Don't Stray Concealer. I'm going to use this to clean up under my brows. I've seen this concealer so many times, but I've actually never tried it until now. So it's a new product that I'm trying out. Also, the brush I'm using, because I know you guys will be wondering, it's just a paintbrush from the art store. It's a very tiny detailed brush. Now I'm also going to use that same concealer and I'm going to apply it all over my lid, and this is going to be my eye base. Using MAC's Mineralise powder and Give Me Sun, I'm just going to buff this over the lid using a big fluffy brush, just so the colour comes off more diffused. If you use a brush that's more dense, the colour will come off more stronger. Then going in with this chrome pot from Tarte, I applied this all over the lid. I've used this product so many times, literally almost every day. I just apply a bit of this on its own, some mascara, and that's me done. So now I just went back in with some of the bronzer just to clean up the crease and make sure everything blends into each other. Now I'm going to do a winged liner using this liquid liner from Sigma. I was sent this in a PR package, so it was the first time I used it and it's super easy to use. The only thing is that I wish it had a matte finish and not vinyl. Then I'm going to use the Sigma mascara to lightly coat my lashes before applying falsies. The lashes I'm using are from Doll Beauty. The style is called Chloe Elizabeth, I think. These are super pretty and quite girly with the gaps. So starting on the base, I'm using these Benefit primers, the Matte Rescue, which is my favorite for controlling oil. So I just apply that in the T-zone, and then the Porefessional for my pores and my cheek area. And I'm using the pink version. So I'm just going to blend in those primers. I usually use my hands, but my nails look super ratchet. So I didn't want to show them, so I'm just using brushes to apply my primers. Now I've been loving the newest foundation from Too Faced Peaches collection. I love this for everyday simple makeup. I don't know what it is, but it just makes my skin look so nice. It looks fresh, doesn't enhance my pores or texture, so I just love it for everyday. Also, the colour I'm using is in the shade Warm Beige. It's a tiny bit darker than my natural skin tone, which I prefer. But with the ring light, I do look a bit lighter, but it's actually darker than I am. Now I'm going to go in with a darker shade called Mocha, and I use this to bronze up and sculpt my face. And because it's a foundation, it's really easy to blend in. So you'll see that I'm using a lot of Too Faced products on my face. I went to a Too Faced event when they launched the new Peaches collection, and I've been honestly obsessed with it. The only thing I wasn't a fan of out of the whole collection was the setting spray, but apart from that, I've been using everything in the collection literally every day. Love it. Now for concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, which is actually a recent product that I've been hooked onto thanks to Courtney and Caitlin, who are makeup artists in Perth. I find it to be the dewy version of Tarte Shape Tape, which is also another favorite of mine. Now using my favorite mini sponges, you guys see this all the time. They are from Dirty 30s, so I'm just going to use that sponge to blend in my concealer. To set the concealer, I'm using the translucent powder, also from the Peaches collection. So I just applied that under my eyes and down the T-zone, pretty much everywhere where I applied concealer. Then grabbing a bigger fluffy brush, I lightly set the rest of my face with the same powder. Going back in with MAC's Mineralise powder and Give Me Sun, I'm going to bronze the hell out of my face. I am 100% about that golden life. I just love bronzer. Then I'm going to add a flush of blush, flush of brush, just some blush, using the cream highlight from the Too Faced Peaches collection as well. I applied this using the Dirty 30s sponge. Oh my gosh, I can't speak now. Dirty 30s sponge, and yeah, it's a really pretty highlight. I love it. Using Benefit's highlight pencils, I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the shimmer one. And then I'm going to apply the matte nude highbrow pencil and my waterline just to freshen and brighten up the eyes. Then I'm going to smudge a bit of a peachy kind of orangey shadow along my lash line. And then I'm going to apply mascara to my bottom. So because I like to keep my eyes fresh, I've been obsessed with using brown mascara on my lower lashes because sometimes black can look a bit harsh. Now to complete the look, I've done a peach nude lip. So first I filled them in with this Mellow Cosmetics lip pencil. I'll leave the name listed down below. And then over top I used the new Fenty Starter Lip Paint in the shade Unbutton. So this is the completed look, guys. My go-to makeup. I hope you like it. Don't forget to show some loving by commenting, liking or subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning back into my channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.
Oh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore.